The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 might finally make good on fast charging promises. Samsung's big August 10th Unpacked event is drawing closer and closer. The event will not only feature Samsung's next foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Zealot 4, but we're also getting all new entries in its smartwatch lineup. Is all but confirmed to be the Galaxy Watch 5 series. The new Wear OS-powered entries will come with several new improvements and features over the Galaxy Watch 4, which we loved when we reviewed it. And while we'll know everything about it next week, details are still slowly dripping out as we knew the date. Now we know that it will also come with faster charging in tow, as leaked by tipster Snoopy Tech via 9 to 5 Google. The Galaxy Watch 5 might come with a new improved wireless magnetic charger. It would bring speeds up to 10 watts, twice as fast as the current 5-watt charger that comes with the Galaxy Watch 4. While 10 watt doesn't sound like a lot, we're used to seeing speeds over 30 watts to 45 watts in the smartphone world. After all, it's plenty for a smartwatch given the comparatively tiny battery these devices come with. In fact, it might be good enough for charging up to 45 in roughly 30 minutes. It's likely actual charging times will vary in different real-world scenarios, but it's at least twice as fast as the current charging times for the Galaxy Watch 4, which at least on paper sounds promising. Not only that, but the new charger also has a USB-C adapter instead of USB. It's an important change since watches only come with a cable, and nowadays pretty much no wall adapter is coming with USB ports. This small tweak allows you to use the same wall adapter you bought for your phone. Previously, you were forced to buy a separate USB adapter or use an older one lying around in your house. We also have info on pricing. If leaks are true, you can expect the base watch 540mm to cost $271, while the 4 to 4mm could cost $300. The Pro, coming at 4 to 5mm, will be notably more expensive at $435. We'll know more about this new smartwatch lineup after the big Unpacked event, so stay tuned to the channel. By the way, what do you guys think about this new fast charging concept? Though it's really necessary to charge up your device faster, but when you have a longer battery life, it doesn't matter at all. Let me know your thoughts about this. And if you love the video, then don't forget to drop a like. See you for the next time. Peace out.